Evening all, day 82, I think. And so it started very, very early. I went to bed quite tired and quite early last night. And the next thing is, it was 12:34 and I woke bolt upright and it was like I'd been plugged into something and I couldn't sleep. I was alive and buzzing and even woke Steve up, trying to be quiet, and ended up chatting like at 1 o'clock in the morning for a good hour about anything rubbish really. And then I thought I better let him get back to sleep. And then I did nod back off. And the next thing is I woke again at 2:34, wide awake again. So I didn't think of anything, I didn't think about it at all until I woke up again properly, like normal hours. And I suddenly thought to myself, it dawned on me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 12:34, and then a bit later on, 2:34, 2:34. So I thought, somebody's trying to tell me something. So I went on and did the whole Googled angel numbers, me and my fascination with everything and signs. And it says, basically, someone or your angels are trying to tell you that you're on the right path and you're going in the right direction and you're going in the right order, and that's why you're seeing the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 2, 3, 4. So you're taking the steps in the right direction and in the right process. And you have to just keep going slowly and taking those small steps, one step at a time. And I thought, sometimes you can look around and compare yourself, can't you, in anything in life, and particularly so in the SFM, because you see people coming on with their results and you think, well, they've only been in a few months and why aren't I getting the same results as them? And we do, it's human nature, isn't it, to start comparing things. And I have got so much better at that now, because I just think we're all different. We're all attracting different audiences into our businesses. And, you know, we all learn at different stages and paces. And you've just got to take it with ease and flow and let the business, you know, fall around you, basically. So that was this morning. And then, of course, for the whole of the morning, then I felt a bit, because I'd had really interrupted sleep, I felt a little bit lethargic. And then I came home and I had a to-do list, and I just thought, oh, just get going. And I got myself into the office and psyched myself up and got going on my to-do list, worked through that, and that was all great. And then realised I was ready in time to see Dan on the Marketing Mastery call, which I love going on those calls, because I don't care where you are in your journey, whenever you go on one of those calls, there is a little nugget of something that you'll take away with you. And there was a couple of things today that I've taken away and I'm going to implement into my business. But he also helped me with a problem that we'd been having, that had only just come to note really, that one of the cookie things was not appearing up in a little box, the little pop-up wasn't appearing on the latest landing page with Convertri, and it was just something tiny that I'd missed. And we fixed it in, he threw a challenge down, he'd get it fixed in 6 seconds. And I don't know if we did it in 6, but it was definitely done within 10. But it was just, yeah, it was nice to get back, because I've missed a couple of the calls. I've been watching them in the, you know, in the back office. But it's just so nice to actually be on the live calls and you can get your answers, your questions answered, I mean. So that is it, really. I've cheated on the old juicing because I'm fed up of making them. So I've ordered a load to arrive and they should be with me today at some point. Don't know when. Got to leave the porch door open ready. So I've had them sent to me, and it'll be so much easier than trying to do my juicing around everything. It's going to take a lot of time, or free a lot of time up for me as well by having them delivered. So that's good news. Takes all the shopping away as well, and the temptation of all the lovely smells and munchies when you go into the supermarket. So I don't need to put myself in that position anymore. We'll have all my juices here, and I can just pick them out the freezer as and when the night before. So that's good. So I'm going to love you and leave you. I hope everybody has a lovely evening, and we haven't got long to go, have we? So God knows what I'm going to do at the end of this challenge. I think I'll just do a video a day and throw it into my YouTube channel. Got so used to talking on this thing now to myself. Anyway, catch you guys tomorrow.